Hello everyone. Once again, welcome back to SQL Hunters. In this session today, we are going to cover what is SQL, what all can we do using SQL statements, what is RDBMS, and I'll introduce you to SQL Server interface as well. Let's begin with the first thing, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language. Most of us are familiar with the full form, but let's understand what does it actually say. Structured means there is a standard format. There is a proper format that we have to adhere to while writing the SQL statements. Query is your question or your ask to the database, and then the language. If we put these three things together, SQL is a structured standard query language to communicate with the database or to query the database. There are many languages available in the market to communicate to the databases. SQL is the most popular one when it comes to communicate with RDBMS. Because of this, it is also called as a domain-specific language. Now, what is RDBMS? It is a relational database management system, which is a type of DBMS wherein data is stored in an organized tabular format with enforced relationship between the tables. Example of RDBMS are SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, MS Access, etc. Moving on to what all can be done using SQL. Using SQL, we can perform various tasks such as data definition, data retrieval, data updation, data manipulation. Similarly, you can also create and drop database and database objects like functions, procedures, tables, etc. You can also set permissions on all the objects. Setting permissions means authorizing specific group of people or a user to specific objects. Detailed functioning of all the objects and functions will be covered in upcoming videos. Do subscribe to SQL Hunters and hit the bell icon for immediate notifications on new video uploads. Let's get familiar with the SQL Server interface. So here is the login window that pops up before you connect to the database server. So first thing is the server type. There are multiple server types here, but for now we are just going with database engine. Server name is your PC name or your computer name, and then the authentication. There are two authentication modes in SQL Server. One is Windows authentication where you're not asked to enter any ID or password. Using your system credentials, you are allowed to connect. Second one is SQL Server authentication wherein you'll be provided with an ID and password. As of now, let's go with Windows authentication. Click on connect, and now see here it's in ready state. Leftmost panel is the Object Explorer. Here you can find all the databases, all the database objects that are available on this server. So from here I can click on New Query. This is the query analyzer wherein you write your SQL statements or SQL code. So let me show you here. I want to use my database Rajiv. So below you can see command completed successfully. So this is the output window. Whatever query, whatever statements you execute here, result would be displayed below it. So this is the output window. This is the query analyzer window where you write your SQL statements. Leftmost one panel, Object Explorer, is the place where you find all your database objects that are available. So this is it in this video. In this session we have covered what is SQL, what all can we do using SQL statements, what is RDBMS, and the SQL Server interface. Thank you so much for your time. If you like the video and the information, please do hit like, share and subscribe to the channel. For immediate notification on the upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon as well. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.